Let me show you how to create basic zoom effects in Premiere Pro. Start by adding your video clip to the timeline and double-clicking the preview screen to reveal the anchor point. Drag the blue anchor point circle to position it exactly where you want your zoom to focus. This will be the center point of your zoom effect. At the beginning of your clip, go to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon next to Scale to set your first keyframe. Then move forward in your timeline and increase the scale value to 130 to create a smooth zoom-in effect. To add a zoom out, move another forward and click the keyframe dot to set your zoom out starting point. Finally, move to more seconds ahead and reset the scale value to 100 for a complete zoom out.